What is the process to check the activation status of an Airtel SIM card?
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to walk through the steps you need to take to check the activation status of an Airtel SIM card. It's important to verify your SIM card status to ensure that you have access to all the services that you require. So, let's dive in.
What do I need to check activation status?
To check the activation status of your Airtel SIM card, you'll need the following. 1. Your Airtel SIM card. Make sure it's inserted in your device. 2. A device with calling capabilities. This can be a smartphone, tablet, or any device that can make and receive calls.
How to check the activation status using a call?
Follow these simple steps to check your Airtel SIM card's activation status. 1. Power on your device. Ensure that your Airtel SIM card is inserted properly. 2. Dial 121. This is Airtel's customer care number. You'll be connected to an automated voice response system. 3. Follow the prompts. You'll be asked to select a language and then a series of options will be presented. Listen carefully and follow the instructions to check your SIM activation status. Note: if you are unable to make a call, your SIM may not be activated.
How to check the activation status using My Airtel app?
If you prefer to use the app, follow these steps. 1. Download the My Airtel app. This can be found in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Log in. You can do this using your Airtel number. An OTP will be sent to your number for verification. 3. Check your dashboard. After logging in, your SIM card status should be visible on the home screen of the app. If not, navigate to the Manage Account or SIM Services section. Note: the layout of the app might change over time, but these steps should generally guide you in the right direction. And there you have it. We've gone through the steps to check the activation status of an Airtel SIM card, either by making a call or using the My Airtel app. Remember, staying connected is important, and ensuring your SIM card is activated is the first step. If you're having issues with activation, don't hesitate to reach out to Airtel's customer service for further help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this one.